So in the previous video, we were able to add the comments and that the number or total number of comments. So now in this video, let's assume there is a reply and so on, and there is a reply for reply and so on. How are we gonna do that? So we can use something in the blade, like a small trick. Basically, we will move the code into like some sort of template and we include it, and then we will run the loop on it. So let's go and play with it now. Just for examples, I add another 2 comments. If you go to the database, I just add 2 comments. Basically, one is a reply to this. So there were 2 comments, and inside the reply, I just add the reply ID. So we know that this record is a reply to number 2, which is this one. And this record is basically a reply to number 3. So that's why we make a reply ID when we design our database. So if we jump to the code, and we see our loop is here, right? So we're gonna make one inside the view. Inside the view we can include one more folders called includes. Inside this one we'll create, inside the includes, we will create recursive.blade.php because I want this to be repeated. So I use this one, recursive. You can name it anything. And basically what I will go to this all comments, I will take all this loop together, okay, and move it all around to this file, and then instead of the video I will just say comments. So I want just comments as variable, okay, save it and go here and then include okay, then includes name of folders dot recursive or recursive, and then what I need also, I need the variable. They need to pass comments as video comments. Now nothing should change now. If I go and refresh, if recursive is not found, I'm sure there's something wrong here in the name. So it will be recursive. Hopefully now it's right. Okay, so nothing will change now, but the trick now is how we're gonna include the replies. So let me go to this recursive and play with it. First of all, here I want to check. I will say if, okay, if comment replies count, then there is replies. In this case, what I need just to include, I include number of replies here. Replies, basically, since there is a relationship, what I can do, can say comment replies and then count. Okay, and then down I need basically to show I want to include again the same thing. I will use same sentence here because this will be recursive. So I will add this one, includes, it will call itself recursive comments. This time it will not be videos comments, it will be comment replies. So I'm just sending the replies here as a comment, and then again it will go here, it finds something inside that one, again it will call itself again and again and again until everything is shown. So let me just go and see how it goes. So this is the reply for Dana, Ahmed replies, and Dana replies for him, and so on. And this will show the number of replies as well, and this for each one. So if I include now, for example, the first one, number 2, let's assume that number 2, I add another one, for example, user number 1, of course, user number 1 and the video number 1, and then reply to number 2 again, thanks, okay, and add another comment. Okay, something wrong here. Because I'm repeating this, so it will be, no, I should not add this one. It will be automatically added, the identity. So go and refresh, you'll see there's 2 replies. Now in the next video we need to just show and hide using Alpine.js. So we can hide this one. When I click on it, it will be shown.